Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create this fire text effect on your Canva on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create this fire text effect on the Canva, just going to show in this video. So first of all, open your Canva, open a blank page, click on the apps first. And here you just type as text maker and just open the first application. So after you open the first application, you can just search as fire on the search bar. After clicking on the fire, you can find a fire first effect I just talking about. Click on this. Now you can just customize the text. So here I'm just going to name my name so you can see the fire effect. Then here you can just change the font if you just needed, and also the text alignment and line spacing or letter spacing. For an example, just going to make it a close, or you can just make it as far away. So it's your wish. Then you can just change the font as I said, and then have a lot of almost like a 3D shadow effect. Already there is a 3D shadow effect here. You just click on the customization of the color, so you can just customize the outer color if you just need it. I just go with the white, which look actually great. Then click on the add design and just click on the add design again, so your design has been inserted. So this is how you just create a fire text effect on the Canva on your PC. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.